Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In this lecture, we have discussed about DDBJ or EMBL. What is the DDBJ and EMBL? It is generally accepted that research in biology today require both computer and experimental equipments equally well. Information achieved from the enormous exhausted data have greatly contributed to the paradigm shift in biology. Biology or life science are no longer restricted to the wet bench experiment in silico and in vitro. In vivo analysis together, we will push back to the frontier of the life sciences. In particular, researcher in life sciences must rely on computers to the analysis nucleotide sequences data accumulating at remarkably rapid rate. Actually, this is triggered at the birth and the development information biology. DDBJ centers play a major role in carrying a research in information biology and to turn DDBJ operation in world. The principal purpose of DDBJ operation is improve quality of INST as a public domain when researchers make their data open to the public through INST and commonly shared in a worldwide. We at DDBJ Center make effort to describe information on the data as richer possible according to unified rules of INST, preferably without any stress by using DDBJ, nucleotide sequence, and record organism evolution more directly than other biological materials are thus invaluable. Not only research in life science but also human welfare is generally. The databases is so to speak, common treasure of the human being. With this the mind, we make the databases only accessible to anyone in the world. DDBJ Center is officially certified to collect nucleotide sequence from the researcher and to issue internationally recognized accession number to data submitter. The accession number issued for each sequence data is unique or the data is internationally recognized to the guarantee the submitter the property of submitted and published data. Since DDBJ Center exchanges the released data with ENA, EBI and NCBI on daily basis. The three data centers share virtually the same data at any time. The virtually unified database is called INST, International Nucleotide Sequence Databases. DDBJ collected sequence data mainly from the Japanese researchers, but of course attempt data from the issued accession number of researcher in any other countries. 99% of data from Japanese researchers submitted through DDBJ. So this is about the DDBJ and now we have talked about EMBL. The EMBL database collector organize and distribute a database of nucleotide sequences data and related biological information. Since 1982, this work has been done in collaboration with GenBank and CBI and the DNA database of Japan. Each of three international collaborating databases, DDBJ, EMBL, GenBank, collect a portion of total sequence data reported worldwide. All new and updated databases entries and exchange between the international nucleotide sequence collaboration on a daily basis. EMBL databases released and produced quarterly and distributed on CD-ROM, the most up-to-date data collection available via internet and World Wide Web interference. The explosive growth of the databases continue correctly at over 1,200 million base pair. The database almost double in size each year, with new sequence being deposited on average once in a minute. Sequencing project like a Human Genome Project, growing number of other genome sequencing Groups produce large quantities or new sequence data. The recent increases data volume is a direct consequences of ongoing collaboration between major sequences and the project of EMBL databases. Data division. EMBL databases entries are ground into the division. The grouping is based mainly on taxonomy with a few expectation like the new HTG, high throughput genome sequences, and GSS, genome survey sequences, and divisions for which grouping is based on specific nature of the underlying data. Thus, division provides subsets of the databases which reflect the areas of interest of many of users. The EMBL databases currently consist of 13 divisions, which each entry belonging to exactly one division. So, this is all about DDBJ or EMBL we have discussed in a lecture. So, if you have to know about this, what is the DDBJ, which is the full form of, and what is the EMBL. You have to know both things and what it is done, preferably, and how to collect it data from, and what is the collaboration between happen in these organizations for data collection sites. Thank you so much.